Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the Designcenter NX product marketing team. And in this video, we're going to be discussing the basics of working in electrical routing. Electrical routing is an application within Designcenter that is specifically designed to help you create, route, and manage electrical harnesses and wiring within your product designs. It streamlines the process of integrating electrical components, ensuring accuracy, and reducing design time, ultimately leading to more efficient and reliable products. Let's jump in and get started. To begin, we're going to look at finishing the electrical system on this assembly. Before we do anything, the first step we must take is to activate the electrical routing application. This will provide us access to the most important tools and navigators for our workflows. From here, we're going to leverage the reuse library. Designcenter already has a variety of electrical parts available for us to use upon install. Using the reuse library, we can take advantage of this, saving valuable time and effort while ensuring consistent results. Let's say first we want to place an electrical connector. Navigating through the reuse library, we can use images or descriptions to identify a connector that will fit our design needs. Once we've selected an appropriate option, we can select an object location in our display window to place our item. Cycling through placement options, we can ensure that our new part is in the proper orientation, and then we can select Apply. You may also note that if we need to rotate our port to fit our design, that is also an option here. As we move along, we can continue using these same methods to place our other missing connector. Using the search option in the reuse library can speed up this process if you already know the name of the parts you are looking for. With our connectors now placed, we can move on to setting up the path our wiring will follow. To do this, we're going to start off by selecting Spline Path. We are first prompted to specify the points of our spline, which in our scenario can simply be our port locations. After that, I'm going to begin to add slack into our spline. While our spline automatically defines the minimum required length, adding slack acknowledges the real-world complexities of manufacturing, installation, and operation. Lastly, we can finish by applying a space reservation to indicate where a design is intended to be occupied by electrical elements, even if those elements aren't fully defined or placed yet. We have a number of stock options, but for consistency's sake, I'm going to match the rest of our design. In conclusion, in this video, we've covered the basics of working in electrical routing in Designcenter. We started off by exploring the reuse library and investigating how it can be used to place new parts. After that, we looked at adding a spline path and slack for our electrical wiring to follow. And finally, we finished up by defining space reservations to designate where electrical components would be placed downstream. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.